I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program in C for beginners. C is a foundational language, known for its efficiency and control over hardware. It's a great starting point for understanding how computers truly work. Learning C can also make it easier to grasp other programming languages later on, as many share similar concepts. Let's dive into setting up your environment. To begin coding in C, you'll need two main tools: a text editor or an integrated development environment, and a C compiler. An IDE like Code, Blocks, or Visual Studio Code with extensions provides a comprehensive environment for writing and debugging. The compiler, such as GCC, translates your human-readable code into machine language that your computer can execute. Make sure your system's path variable is correctly configured to find your compiler. Now, let's look at some fundamental C syntax. Every C program starts execution within a special function called main. You'll use #include statements at the top of your files to bring in standard libraries like stdio, H for input and output operations. Remember, each statement in C typically concludes with a semicolon, signaling the end of an instruction to the compiler. It's time to write your very first C program. A classic starting point is the Hello World program, which simply prints text to the screen. After writing your code in a file ending with a C extension, you'll use your compiler to transform it into an executable file. Finally, you can run this executable from your terminal to see your program in action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.